bakunzi ba SINA TV Rwanda, nkoramutima zacu twongeye kubasuhuza kandi tubashimira uburyo mudahwema kudukurikira umunsi ku wundi, aho mukora subscribe, mukakora like, mukaduha comment ndetse mugasharinga n'amavideo tubagezaho umunsi ku wundi, mugaragaza ibyiza ndetse mubona hano kuri Nyirangarama. Uyu munsi rero twifuje kubagezaho video yerekana urugendo rwakozwe n'abanyeshuri baturuka hariya mu gihugu cya Amerika muri kaminuza ikomeye cyane ku isi, kaminuza izwi ku izina rya WHARTON School iri hariya mu mujyi cyangwa se muri state ya Philadelphia.
Yes, my name is Eric Kaku. I'm founder and CEO of a company called Entrepreneurial Solutions Partners, ESP. We work to develop entrepreneurs in Rwanda. Before that, I used to work for a company called On the Frontier. So I had the privilege of meeting SINA GERARD in 2001. And I have seen over the past 23 years how this company has developed and how it has helped transform some of the agricultural products that the country produces. I live today in Côte d'Ivoire. I used to live in Rwanda. I moved back to Côte d'Ivoire in 2016. Today you can find akabanga and agashia over there. So I think it's very important what SINA is trying to do, because for most of the agricultural products which are produced in Africa, only 2% of the value stays on the continent because it's not transformed. Yet, if we can transform it, if we can make juice, if we can make mandazis, if we can make akabanga, we can literally capture the value and feed our people. So this is very, very good. Listen, I discovered akabanga when I was first living here. So 2002. I have some at my house in Côte d'Ivoire, when I travel, because it's a very small package. So it makes for the perfect gift. And it's really a product that people like a lot. And it's one of those souvenirs that people can really take from Rwanda with them. And then it stays for very long because it's difficult to hit one button quickly. So it's a very, very big problem. Listen, I think it's the fact that it's very hot. It's the way it smells. It's the fact that you don't need to put much in the dish to feel the punch. So it's a very good product. Yes, I used to drink AZAJYA when I was living in Rwanda, but these days I drink it less. But definitely the URWIBUTSO mandazis, they are very good. Very, 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 very nice. The visitors are from the United States. They go to school in the United States, but they are from all over the world. Some of the students are from Jamaica, Trinidad, China, Singapore, Europe, Australia. So it's a global program, but they go to school in Philadelphia in the United States. Thank you very much.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Nkosi Stewart. I'm from Queens, New York City, and I currently attend University of Pennsylvania, the Wharton School. We're in Rwanda for one of our classes. We're here to just learn about Rwanda, learn about the history of the country, how you overcome the genocide, organization, the leadership, and the innovation. And what Rwanda is doing is very special and it's amazing. So I visited the factories. It was an amazing operation. People here are hardworking. There's a lot of stuff going on. The WHARTON was delicious. My first time having it. It's cool to see the logistics and the infrastructure that everything's going, and it's just like the process is very sharp. Yeah, no, the school was awesome. I wish we had more time to spend there. The children are very intelligent, especially for their young age, and it was great talking to them. We had a very good time. They speak English very well. I was able to play basketball with some of the kids. They're very good. And just the studies that they were doing, we saw them, they were like learning for the fire alarm, how to activate it. They were doing some differential equation math problems, stuff that I haven't seen in years. So it's amazing to see that these kids are doing amazing things at such a young age. Man, that's amazing. The fact that you're able to provide this opportunities for children, and so many, 500, for free, and what they're learning at such a young age. It's like very impressive to me, especially seeing like kind of what I learned in the United States. At that age, I'm very impressed, and I'm so happy that he was able to do that. After seeing everything, you're doing a very good job. And thank you, Dr. SINA. Everything's going great. I'm sure there's always room for improvement, and there's always plans for the future. But what you've done in the operation you currently have here is amazing. Thank you. Okay, good. Yeah.
muri state zinyuranye mba ndeba imibereho yabyo nkaza nkagira icyo mpindura no muri Afurika no muri Europe hose mba umuntu ugiye gukora cyane.